Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, a powerful and feature-rich camera that is perfect for beginners and intermediate photographers looking to take their skills to the next level. What makes it special is the combination of its high-quality image sensor, versatile lens kit, and user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for those who want to explore the world of DSLR photography without breaking the bank. Let me break down the specs. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is powered by the Digic 4 Plus image processor, which provides fast and efficient image processing. The camera features a 3.0-inch TFT color LCD monitor with a resolution of 920,000 pixels, a brightness of 400 nits, and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The battery has a capacity of 1,800 mAh, providing a battery life of up to 500 shots per charge, and can be charged at a speed of 5V, 2A. The camera boasts an 18.0-megapixel APS-C CMOS image sensor, 51,200 ISO range, and has a RAM of 32 megabytes. The storage options include SD, SDHC, and SDXC memory cards, with a maximum storage capacity of 2 terabytes. The camera weighs approximately 475 grams, with dimensions of 129 by 101 by 77 millimeters. It runs on the Canon EOS operating system and features a range of ports including a USB 2.0 port, an HDMI mini port, and a 3.5 millimeters microphone jack. The camera also features Bluetooth 4.1 and Wi-Fi 802.11b divided by G divided by N, allowing for easy connectivity and wireless transfer of images. Additionally, the camera features a range of special features including Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Auto Mode, and a range of special effects such as Grainy B/W and Soft Focus. In real-world use, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 performs exceptionally well. The battery life is impressive, lasting a full day of shooting in real-world conditions. The display is clear and visible even in bright sunlight, making it easy to review your shots on the go. The camera is also surprisingly speedy when multitasking, quickly switching between different modes and functions. The build quality is solid, with a comfortable feel in hand, and the audio quality is good, with clear and crisp sound. The camera's autofocus is also quick and accurate, making it easy to capture sharp images of moving subjects. Real-world reviews praise the Canon EOS Rebel T7 for its excellent image quality, with many users commenting on the camera's ability to produce sharp and detailed images with great color accuracy. Users also love the camera's ease of use, with many commenting on the intuitive interface and user-friendly controls. Additionally, users praise the camera's versatility, with the ability to shoot in a range of modes, including manual, aperture priority, and shutter priority.